Welcome back to Origami videos. I will show you how to transform this square piece of paper into rectangular one. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, scissors, and if you want you can also use a pencil to mark the edge. Start by folding your paper in half on a diagonal line. So bring opposite corners and align them, and also line the outside line. Once you have it, press it down. Now open your paper and bring one side of the paper inward. So I will choose this triangle and bring it in the outside line of the paper and align it with this middle one. So align it. And once you have it, press only this part of the paper downwards to make a crease, like so. And we have a crease right here. I will mark it with a pencil so that it's more visible. And next, I will fold this side of the paper inwards, align it with the bottom line, and bring this corner of the paper only to this crease here. So bring it to the mark right here, align the bottom line of the paper, and once you have it, just press paper down to make a crease. Now reinforce the crease. If you want, you can also open it, turn it around, and fold it again inwards on the line that you have. And now you can tear this part away, or you can grab scissors and cut it away on a folded line. And just like this, you transform a square piece of paper into rectangular one.